So today we're going to take this clothes dryer apart. It's been squeaking and looks like what's needed are replacing the rolling parts. So there's 4 wheels that support the drum. There's a belt that spins the drum, and the last little white wheel there is the idler pulley that keeps tension on the belt to make sure the drum spins. So in order to do all that, the first thing to do is take off the top. It slides off, and then underneath there's some electronics that you gotta get out of the way. Then we take off 3 different panels on the front. And with that done, the dryer drum can be pulled out, parts exchanged, and while we got it all taken apart, we'll take a vacuum cleaner and look, see if we can get rid of any stray lint. Well, that was a little more disassembly than I expected. I had to take off the front and the back. And the front has 2 layers. First layer there holds the drum in place, and then the second layer leaning against the sink is the front door assembly. Here's the drum out, and then here's the motor, and then there's the 2 support wheels in the back. And down here is the idler pulley that we'll replace. And then over here on the front support for the drum are the other 2 support wheels that allow the drum to roll. So we'll get those swapped out. Not a whole lot of lint, but I'll go ahead and vacuum this thing out anyhow, just to get rid of the extra. And then we get to put it back together. So a whole new set of wheels to support the drummer in, new idler pulley, and the new drive belt are all installed. Next thing is to put the front door back on, and then we can start putting together the back side and get the idler pulley properly tensioned. I didn't plan to take off the back of this dryer, but I'm glad I did. So it gave me a chance to clean out these louvers in the back. They had quite a bit of lint. They weren't plugged yet, but they had quite a bit of lint, so quick vacuum cleaner up and down that back side, clean those out. The dryer's going to breathe easier. Secondly, it gave me a chance to run the vacuum cleaner up the exhaust pipe. And then thirdly, it gives me really good access to the idler pulley for the drive belt. That'll be much easier to get that situated than trying to do it from the front. So that's the next step. And then we'll button up the back, put the electronics on, and we'll be good. So we got all put back together. Sam was a good supervisor. Everything worked just fine, and the best news of all is it's quiet. No more of that shrill screeching that was going on with the old idler pulley. So it's all cleaned up, new rolling gear, and drying clothes just fine.